Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil life service thing that's on your Trailblazer, Envoy, Rainier, and a lot of other GM products. I know one of my Avalanches, I think, was similar to that. So when you turn your vehicle on and you see change the engine oil and it stays on, within 30 seconds, push the accelerator all the way to the floor 3 times. It needs to be in the run position but not started. So we're going to do it again because I was yapping my trap. So that's on. 1, 2, 3. And then once you start it, it shouldn't come on again. It is in the owner's manual, so you can check it out there and see if that works for you. And all you got to do, that doesn't necessarily mean your oil is used up. You might have just got it changed maybe 800 miles ago and all of a sudden that's on. It's basically just an interval set that the computer has for itself. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We got tons of stuff on there. Catch you on the next one.